Hey.
Hey. Sorry.
So today we'll be doing a food review of
You got
a
some
salad.
schmutz on the salad there.
Hey. Getting my fucking review. Okay. So here today we have a cheese salad. First bite. I'm gonna clean that on my face. So, one thing to know definitely from this review is
Howard?
want some salad?
No, not really.
You want some salad?
No.
Yeah, you do. You
Okay.
want some salad?
Sorry. Yeah, I guess.
You want some salad? Want some salad?
I don't know if I. Cameron, can you get him to stop?
You want some salad?
Sure.
Here you go. Here you go, Duncan.
Here.
Here you go, Duncan. You better eat that. Eat it.
Did you do something?
Eat
to
it.
What did you do?
Eat it. I'll pay you to think.
Well, let's do this. Oh. Oh. Did you put piss in this? Did you pee in the salad? Oh, you made me eat your pee.
That's right, Duncan. You like it, right?
I know.
Yeah, you do.
I don't like it.
Yeah, you do, Duncan. Alright, so anyway, back to the review. So here today, we have this salad. And, you know, first impressions, I can definitely tell you that it's a salad. It's got some lettuce. It's got some cheese. Who the hell put cheese on my salad? Duncan, did you put cheese on my salad?
No?
Probably Domino's.
What? Did I tell you to talk?
Cameron, don't risk it, Cameron. No, Cameron, just don't
That's what I
talk.
fucking thought.
He hates it when you